How many of you read books daily? Very few people, right? And if you read books, then you know the power of reading those. There are many people who are unaware of the things that happens in this world. They are not able to cope with this world. They are not able to handle the situations very well because they don't know what to do. All the solutions are in the books. People who read books know what is the value they are getting from reading those books. Now, people generally ask me, Vinod, how do you get the time to read the books? It is very easy. Spend only 15 minutes a day. From 24 hours a day, you can spend at least 15 minutes to read a book. If not 15 minutes, you can start by reading 2 pages or 3 pages a book. And study and slow and study, you will see that slowly and slowly you will see that the things got interesting. You start to love the read books. Start reading those. All the powers, all the knowledge of different authors they have gathered around the world on these books. This life is very short for you to explore the things yourself. And books are like some people, some expertise are getting around you and giving you information. So it is like they are sitting around you, sitting side by you, and teaching you the things that you want to learn. They have lot of things inside you. They can gather very important things from around the world and teach you in and outs of those. Start the habit of reading. It's a very crucial for your growth, because when you start learning, start reading the books, your knowledge will expand exponentially. See, some of the books I can recommend you, and the one book you can start with is Think and Grow Rich, one of the classic bestsellers for the personal development. You can start with this book, read at least 3-4 pages, if not 15 minutes, but start reading those things, because they are the things, they are the valuable knowledge you are just missing if you're not reading. You are lagging behind from all those people who are reading books. I have personally collection of more than 300 books. I read daily at least for 20-30 minutes. I know what are the things I'm missing right now from this world. Lot of things I'm missing right now. And when I read those books, I learn from the knowledge of those authors who have spent many years researching and then putting those research in a small piece of book, and from those you can learn. Now, how to get most of those books is altogether a different topic. I'll make a video on that also, but for now you have to start reading the book. So all my friends who are watching this video, please start reading at least 15 minutes a day. If that is seems to be impossible for you, you can start reading 2-3 pages a day. I know most of the people are not good at reading, or they don't like reading, but once you start reading the books, you will see the things starts to change. It's become interesting. You see, books are best friends, a very old proverb, and it is very right. You will feel never be lonely because the book is the best friend. You can pick up it, read it. It's very interesting things. I know very well why I'm when I starts to feel bored or there is nothing to do, I start reading the books. I have books on multiple topics: meditation, yoga, spirituality, health, personal development, business. Lot of genre are there. You can select any one of them, or if you want to expand your knowledge, you can go through all around those topics. It is up to you, but from starting, you can start from one topic, maybe what is interesting to you. If you are interested in the personal development, I recommend you the book Think and Grow Rich. So start reading those. If you are not reading, you are missing something from this life.